Want to add a peaceful and stunning touch to your home garden? In this video, we showcase 15 creative rock garden ideas that bring a sense of calm and natural beauty to your outdoor space. Whether you have a small backyard or a spacious garden, these rock garden designs will inspire you to create your own tranquil retreat. From minimalistic arrangements to more intricate landscapes, you'll find plenty of inspiration to transform your garden into a serene oasis. Watch now and start designing the perfect space for relaxation and serenity. In this video, we explore a variety of rock garden designs tailored to both compact and expansive spaces. Discover how you can use carefully placed stones, creative arrangements, and strategic plannings to enhance the beauty of your garden. From minimalist designs perfect for small areas to bold, dramatic landscapes suited for larger yards, these ideas will inspire you to transform any space into a stunning rock garden retreat. The best plants that complement your rock garden, adding color, texture, and vibrancy to your outdoor space. From hardy succulents and creeping ground covers to vibrant flowers and ornamental grasses, these plant selections are perfect for thriving in rocky, well-drained soil. Whether you're designing a low-maintenance garden or a lush, vibrant retreat, these plants will blend seamlessly with your rocks and create a harmonious, natural look. Stunning water features that can transform your garden into a peaceful retreat. From tranquil fountains and serene ponds to gentle streams and cascading waterfalls, these water features not only bring a sense of calm, but also add a natural beauty that enhances the overall ambience of your garden. The sound of flowing water can provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation, meditation, or simply enjoying the outdoors. DIY rock garden design tips to help you transform your outdoor space into a beautiful, low-maintenance haven. From choosing the right stones and arranging them creatively to selecting plants that thrive in rocky environments, we've got you covered. Learn how to work with the natural contours of your landscape, how to integrate water features, and how to achieve the perfect balance between rocks and greenery. We'll show you how to create a low-maintenance rock landscape that looks stunning without all the work. From selecting drought-tolerant plants and hardy rocks to designing with natural textures, we'll guide you through the process of building a landscape that thrives with little effort. Learn how to plan for easy care, reduce the need for constant watering, and create a self-sustaining garden that stays beautiful year-round. Making it an ideal choice for those seeking convenience and efficiency. With its low upkeep needs, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most while minimizing the time and resources spent on care. Perfect for busy lifestyles, it offers sustainability without the need for constant attention or excessive water usage. This addition effortlessly enhances the aesthetics of any outdoor area, transforming ordinary spaces into stunning landscapes. Whether placed in gardens, patios, or balconies, it brings a touch of elegance and style, elevating the overall ambience. Its sleek design and vibrant appeal complement a variety of outdoor settings, creating a welcoming and visually captivating environment for relaxation and enjoyment. This feature creates a natural and serene environment, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. By blending seamlessly with its surroundings, it fosters a calming atmosphere, inviting tranquility and relaxation. Whether you're enjoying a quiet moment alone or sharing time with others, this addition brings a soothing touch of nature that enhances the beauty and serenity of your space. Perfect for drought-resistant landscaping, this feature thrives with minimal water, making it an excellent choice for sustainable, low-maintenance outdoor spaces. Not only does it conserve water, but it also enhances the beauty and functionality of your landscape, creating a vibrant yet eco-friendly environment. Watch the full video to get inspired and start designing your dream rock garden today. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, you'll find plenty of ideas to bring your outdoor space to life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and home decor inspiration. Turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting update.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.